everyone is shouting row when they see a Norwegian.
I really like the Viking Row. It's really good as a chant. It gets people fired up, it gets people going. If you're actually going to row one of these things out at sea, you need to go for hours and hours and hours and hours. So you need to take it slow. You need to do a little rest. When we row, we have one pull, and then we sit with the oar in our lap for a second or two, and then we do another one. It would not be efficient if you're actually on the sea and you need to row that fast, but it's very, very cool, and I see that people all over the world has been super impressed, so I'm all for it.
Hopefully there will be lots of people who wanted to row a Viking ship after Norway has won the World Cup.